Very nice, great colors and feels nice to skin. Black with blue and green, stretchy knit fabric, very comfy and pretty. Rose Garden, satin, woven. Great fit, beautiful on. Burgundy W black, satin, woven. Luxurious like Rose Garden too. Length on me, 5 feet 3. 5 inches height, UK bust 14E 36D cup, mid-knee. Perfect fit. I feel like a queen in these. Amazed at how lovely they are. Wonderful find and bargain sale price. Very happy. So comfortable, soft and looks great on. Excellent value for money. Arrived in a decent presentation box. Highly recommend. I love this product and will be ordering more. It came in a lovely package and looks great, feel great and fits like it is custom made just for you. Thank you. I was worried if product will be a good quality and meet my expectations, but this was wonderful product. I am really happy with my purchase. Absolutely beautiful, such great value for money. Super fast delivery, beautifully packaged. Very happy customer. Very GD fit, very well, great value for money. Click link in description for more reviews.